And the opposition People's National Party is again blasting the Prime Minister for the handling of the country's affairs. Northwest Manchester MP Michael Phillips was among those who spoke at the St. James West Central PNP constituency conference at the Granville Primary and Junior High last evening. But as you hear in this report, Mr. Phillips also had strong words for his own party.
Andrew Holness has been the worst Prime Minister that this country has ever seen.
Criticisms for Prime Minister Andrew Holness from Northwest Manchester MP Michael Phillips. He argues that price increases are significantly affecting Jamaicans, especially as some prepare to send their children back to school.
I am worried about Jamaica. Now I'm worried about it. I am worried because we have a Prime Minister who loves social media, who love to just go cut a ribbon, who love to go break ground, but one who does not care about the people of Jamaica.
But criticisms too for his own party.
And when I see how we as PNP treat the PNP, it even hurt me even worse. Because if the Labour Party mash up Jamaica and the people don't have hope in the People's National Party, then dog nyam Jamaica supper. It is not good enough for us to say the people of Jamaica want the PNP and we're not doing nothing for the people of Jamaica want it.
In the meantime, the opposition is still raising questions about the spending for the campaign for the post of Commonwealth Secretary General. The opposition is again pointing to the 99,000 US or roughly 15 million Jamaican dollar contract entered into with US public relations agency Fin Partners.
But I want to know one thing. Who are the private donors who put up the $16 million for the public relation campaign, which lasted 3 months? It's just a simple question. I want to know. You don't want to know? And I tell you the truth, the more they hide it is the more I want to know.
Minister with responsibility for information Robert Morgan has maintained that the government acted transparently and is prepared to share more information as proof.